Hi everyone. Uh, this is first tutorial with voice because four first tutorials was just only with Kazakh and English subtitles. In this video, I want to explain you how we can make reset to factory settings. I believe most of you know what is this, what is the reason and purpose of to make reset to factory settings if you receive one CPU, a new CPU, or one program is inside downloaded to the CPU, but we don't know what is inside of the CPU. You can make reset to factory settings. Now you can see that we connected to our system. This is Hiquadx system. Uh, as you can see here in our CPU rack, it's configured on the CPU rack to CPU and to communication modules and to power modules. And to make the reset to factory settings, I can show you in the manual for the Hiquadx system. There is a uh, three positions of the switch. If you can remove CPU from CPU rack, you can see inside on top side of the CPU init, stop, and run positions. In normal case, it has to be in run mode. For the reset to factory settings, we will remove both of CPUs. I will remove both of CPUs, change the position of the switch on first left CPU to init, put CPU back to the CPU rack. But second CPU, no need to pull in now. We will start with one CPU in init position. And close this Windows. After rebooting, we will try to connect to this CPU. Let's try to connect with the resource and online as usual. It will not be possible. Okay, to make like this, hardware, online, to model login. We'll try to connect to first left CPU directly from hardware. Here we can search our CPU. First three digits, not all digits, letters also are standard for Hiquadx CPUs. And last three digits are individual. We can see this MAC address on front side of CPU. Write this MAC address and click search. As you can see here, SRS as default, by default 60,000 and IP address by default 0.99. But in our project, it's configured SRS number system ID is 5 and IP address 0.105. It's better to change it now. We can do it later, but it's better to change it now. Control A, right. Successful. Click here, cancel, cancel. Close. Try to connect it here. Login. Yes, success. We can see here that mode switch initialization. This, this is the CPU state. And now we can make reset to factory settings. Online maintenance and service. Reset module factory settings. During this reset, it will remove and reset everything, clear memory. We can make untick these 2 points, reset IP address and reset system ID, because we already changed it for our project settings. Click OK. Successful. After this, online, startup, set mono redundancy operation, and choose mono. OK. Successful. Close these windows. Now we have to remove CPU from the CPU rack. Change the state to run. Again, put to the rack. Once CPU loaded, now we can connect as usual to the resource online. Yes, now we can see online our CPU. System state is stop and invalid configuration because we cleared all memory. There is no program inside. After that, we can, if I will pick resource extra, will not, because there is no software inside. Reload, download, download. Okay, now we can start CPU. Yes, first CPU is run, but error is there because second CPU is not on CPU rack. You see here that second CPU is unknown state. Now we can put second CPU. Once second CPU loaded, system will try to make redundancy. Still loading. Yes, system status changed to normal. System data, system specific data. Second CPU recognized, and it's also run. It means now we have again redundant system with 2 CPUs with our software.